Desert View Hospital celebrates 10 years of bringing exceptional healthcare to the Pahrump community. The Wall Street Journal reported between 1990 and the year 2000, Pahrump, Nevada was the second fastest growing micropolitan community in the United States. With unprecedented growth, the need for medical care was on the rise. And with no hospital, local residents in need of hospitalization or critical medical care were forced to drive themselves, use ambulatory transport, or be airlifted to hospitals more than 60 miles away in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Before Desert View Hospital was here, you had one option, and that was to go into Vegas. And a long time ago, it was a dirt road into Vegas, so it's progressed quite a bit.
Pahrump had only a handful of medical resources building up to the year 2000. For example, the Pahrump Medical Center. In 2003, Mark Stoddard was the primary administrator at PMC, and he recognized that there was a significant need for a hospital in the Pahrump Valley. It was critical for Pahrump to have 24-hour access to emergency care. Stoddard worked tirelessly along with a team to gain the approval and licensing needed to open a hospital in the state of Nevada in the county of Nye.
What I see in a small community, and I've certainly seen here, is a great desire for excellent medicine by people who are smart. They want to be listened to, they want thorough care, and they want the follow-through.
It was a 3-year undertaking, but Stoddard received final approval on plans for Desert View Regional Medical Center, and construction began. The process to build a critical access hospital with 25 inpatient beds and 24/7 emergency room care was underway. The 70,000 square foot facility was officially opened on April 27, 2006. In 2007, the complex was renamed Desert View Hospital.
There are so many people in this area that for many years have been underserved or simply not cared for because they can't or don't want to travel to Las Vegas to get their medical care. The type of capabilities and the treatments available we have at this hospital are a major enhancement to this kind of a rural community.
Desert View Hospital has been one of the greatest accomplishments of the Pahrump community, and with its 70,000 square feet, has serviced thousands of people within and around the community over the past 10 years.
This is a gem in the community. We have employees, we have applicants that are trying to get employed here all the time because they can see where the hospital's going and growing.
Just having, the availability of access to these patients, where we don't hear that they're having to wait 3 to 6 months to be seen. We do everything to try to get them in within, 48 hours to a week.
Since its inception, DVH has expanded its services, adapting to the increasing needs of the community. Currently, DVH provides 25 private hospital bed suites with plans for expansion.
We've got more procedures that we're doing here. We're seeing more patients than what we used to do 2 to 3 years ago. Our census used to be like less than 5 or 6 on average, but now we're always almost like full capacity.
The additional 8 beds here at Desert View Hospital will bring additional level of service.
They give us the ability to still care for a larger number of patients in a complete and an excellent way, even though it exceeds our capacity for a short time. So we can observe people who have various problems here that in the past we may not have been able to observe them and watch them and make a decision what they need to have done and where they need to have it done.
In addition to the expansion, there have been significant staffing and technology advances made to the emergency room.
Our emergency department went from seeing approximately 13,000 patients per year to 18, pushing 19,000. So that's a lot of people coming through that emergency department on an annual basis.
Emergency departments, emergency rooms are typically the front door of a hospital. And so we've changed all those physicians that have been here We've just increased the level. They're all board certified physicians that are here. They're here 24 hours a day.
In addition to the board-certified emergency room, to ensure patients receive quick and accurate diagnosis, DVH houses a cardiac clinic, surgical services, a multidisciplinary team of specialists and therapists, social services, and a board-certified state-of-the-art radiology department, including a laboratory, available 24/7.
We have a world-class surgeon here now by way of Dr. John Sorensen. So maybe the emergency room, the hospitalist, the world-class surgeon, those are probably some high watermarks.
A lot of exciting things that have happened here at Desert View Hospital. Brought in a state-of-the-art CT scanning machine. It's actually the best in Southern Nevada, is my understanding, on par with UCLA, which is really exciting for our community here to get something like that.
I think it's big for the community physicians because they know the types of services that we offer, and some of the equipment here might be even better than some of the equipment that maybe they're sending their patients to in Las Vegas. So again, having better equipment with lower radiation doses and top-notch imaging, I think that's a benefit for them. They can get their patients in very quickly, their patients follow up with them very quickly, and they get reports fast and efficiently.
Well, the benefits is like when we have the labs here in the hospital in-house and we're doing the test in-house, then they can get the results right away. I mean, the turnaround time is faster than if we send out the lab orders to a nearby laboratory.
Desert View Hospital gets involved in the community in so many ways, and for example, we get with Nye County Coalition and we work to provide students with backpacks that are filled with food. Sometimes we work on providing backpacks filled with school supplies, and that's just one example.
Because giving back to the community is of the utmost importance, DVH participates in local food drives, veteran assistance, generating scholarships, supporting charities, and sponsoring local events.
The patients that do come to Desert View Hospital are family in the community, and we're able to treat them like family when they do come in, and also provide services to them that they may not see in other rural communities.
Desert View Hospital staff enjoy organizing community health fairs throughout the year. It's a time when supporting vendors and medical providers convene with children from the community, providing free of charge immunizations, sports physicals, and medical screenings for hearing, vision, and dental. The health fairs always include events for the children to enjoy, making healthcare fun. DVH also offers adults no-cost dental, hearing, and vision screenings.
I think the staff and the ancillary personnel here are excellent. I've seen in the last 3 years a steady improvement in that arena. It makes a huge difference for patients to feel like they're being cared for by someone who actually cares about them and is part of their community. The staff, I've noticed over the last 3 years, has steadily improved in their capabilities and their training, and in the excellent way that they care for and take care of patients.
In reminiscence of the previous 10 years, Desert View Hospital has excelled beyond expectations. DVH is proud to have excellent surgeons, internists, family practice physicians, cardiologists, and therapists as part of their team. Over the past 10 years, DVH has received numerous awards, including the Silver Syringe Award for Community Health Improvement Projects, and was honored to be featured recently in Becker's Hospital Review in the 8 Things to Know About Desert View Hospital.
To be able to get comprehensive medical care in your own community, I think, is essential. A prophet in his own land is usually not very honored, and people often think, well, my hospital really isn't going to measure up to other hospitals. It turns out this hospital does a marvelous job at measuring up in terms of availability and quality and in breadth of care. So a community that can get excellent care from people who will follow through is is essential for the health of the community.
Despite local markets, healthcare regulations, and external competition, the staff at DVH has maintained a commitment to excellence, ensuring high-quality care and Desert View Hospital's mission to provide sensitive, compassionate healthcare of the highest quality to our patients, their families, and friends. We do this in a manner that encourages the efficient use of resources, while providing a working environment that promotes the personal and professional growth of our employees.
I'm so excited for Desert View Hospital, the growth that they have seen. Kelly Adams has done an excellent job bringing in physicians, bringing in additional facilities, and continuing to grow the hospital. And I could not thank them enough and wish them the best of luck for the next 10, 20, 50 years down the road.
I think it's wonderful to be celebrating the 10th anniversary and to be part of Desert View Hospital.
I would say congratulations to Desert View Hospital on 10 years of service to this community, and I look forward to seeing another 25 if I live that long.
I am so pleased to be a part of Desert View Hospital and see the progress that they have achieved.
As the newest member of the healthcare community and primary care here, congratulations to Mr. Adams, to the Desert View Hospital staff. It's a pleasure to be here.
I'm proud to be a part of Mountain Valley Physicians Group, Desert View Hospital, and I'm looking forward to another 10 years.
As part of the 10th year anniversary of Desert View Hospital, I would like to congratulate everyone.
I'd like to congratulate Desert View Hospital, congratulate Kelly. I'd like to congratulate all the staff of Desert View Hospital that makes this really, really great hospital to go to, not only for patients, but also for staff members to work with. I'm glad and I look forward to working with you guys for another 10 or 20 years.
Well, congratulations to Desert View Hospital on its 10th year anniversary and looking forward to the next 10 years. I want to applaud our employees, our physicians, our board, all of our staff that have been involved to make this what it is today and look forward to the next 10 years.